And guess who's next? Lebo, the Ghetto Poets. Check it out. What's up, Lebo? What's going down, man? You putting them down, huh?
Yeah, trying to do a little something.
My boy Ron, what's up, man?
What's up?
Okay, yeah, we getting it together right now. So check this out, Lebo. What's up with you, man? What you doing, man?
Yeah, man, trying to put this ghetto poetry out there.
That's right, man. Let's go to Lebo. Check it out. Ghetto Poetry. Yeah.
Far as I can remember, it's been hard times and struggling. Rent due on the house and my mama out here suffering. But what can I do? A little nigga exposed to different niggas that wasn't around to be no father figure. God please, I don't wanna see no more killing, but I pack a nine. That anybody trying to mess with mine can help me get out on the grind. I'm risking double-digit time if I didn't have a dime. Can you tell me why? Cause I ain't knowing now my only dream to rise to the top. Never stop, keep going. One day I see a nigga with it made, drinking lemonade, blowing chronic under the shade. And one day I see me stacking paper. One day I see me with it major. One day I see me with a house on the hill. I'm a ball one day. One day I see me stacking paper. One day I see me with it major. One day I see me with a house on the hill. I'm a ball one day.
One day, cause I can see me making paper one day, boy, and everything to go with it, you know? I like that, man. That's tight, that's tight. Who's next? Show with G-Lo. Looking for my boy Too Sweet. He be here in a minute. Check it out, check it out.
Yeah, the Ghetto Street Fighters in the house. What I want y'all to do, I want y'all to repeat after me. Yeah. When I say bump that, you say yeah. Bump that, bump that. When I say bump that, you say yeah. Bump that, bump that. I be the greatest, shake the outdated. Known to rip a show, G'd up with the latest. Peak game, I like the bud and the axe. S-classes, fat tilts and diamonds. What you got? You depending on my knot. Telling me you love me while I'm hitting your wet spot. Don't get it wrong, ain't nothing bad about you. I like a woman with a little bit collateral too. From the very first sight, I too flicked the light. She was in the Jetta, but it wasn't too tight. I can't smooth like what's your name? Write your number down and I give you a ring. We hooked up around the same the next day. Took her to the spot in Marina Del Rey. I could tell she was digging my style, but at the same time I was digging her profile. Looking for something new, I gotta keep it real and true. Low G on the MIC, searching for that special C. Tipping gliding, West Coast we're riding. Oh baby, don't front on me, I'm not your trick, I'm not your...
What's up? Guess who I found? Too Sweet. What was your plane delayed or something, man?
Well, it wasn't delayed, but I was just delayed.
Oh,
you
man,
know.
well, I'm glad you made it, man. I'm glad you made it, man. We got Too Sweet.
I had a hassle getting here, but you know how this millennium year gonna be.
Yeah, I know.
It's gonna be real tight.
It's real tight.
Yeah.
It's real tight.
But we're gonna get a glory to God, because one thing we're gonna do, we all wouldn't be here if it wasn't for God. So in the means of all this, you know, we want to bring out talent, because you never know who's next.
Right.
So like you might be next, you might be next, and I'm talking about the next entrepreneur. You know what I mean? I'm talking about going somewhere a long way, not just across the street. We want to go around the world with this.
Around the world.
You know what I'm saying? Because music, talent, it goes through the screen, and when it goes to the screens, it enters people's houses and minds. And if y'all can do that, y'all might be who's next. What'd you say, G-Lo?
Who's next?
Right, Lebo?
Who's next?
Right, Will?